Gluten-Free Diet for Celiac Disease. Introduction. Celiac disease damages the small, finger-like growths called villi in the lining of the small intestine. Select true or false. Correct. Villi help the small intestine absorb important nutrients from digested food. The body cannot get the nutrients it needs to stay healthy when the villi are damaged. A gluten-free diet means not eating foods that contain wheat, rye, and barley. Select true or false. Correct. The foods and products made from these grains should also be avoided. In other words, a person with celiac disease should not eat most grains, pasta, cereal, and many processed foods. Does flour made of soy usually contain gluten? Select yes or no. Correct. Flour made from soy is usually gluten-free. Which of the following food usually contains gluten? Choose one of the following options. 1. Eggs. 2. Fish. 3. Pasta. Correct. Unless marked otherwise, pasta usually contains gluten. People who follow a gluten-free diet are at risk for low levels of certain vitamins and nutrients in their diets. Select true or false. Correct. Ask your dietitian to review your gluten-free diet to see that you're getting enough nutrients. Labeling gluten-free foods with a marker or sticker can help prevent cross-contamination. Select true or false. Correct. Labeling your foods can help prevent cross-contamination. Thank you for using Explain.